Hi viewers, welcome to Max Grammar Tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of our channel, then subscribe our channel without fail. In today's video, we are going to discuss 15 vocabulary related to food and cooking. We will also discuss the meaning and usage of these words. The first word is crusty. Crusty is the texture of food with a hard outer layer and soft interior. Let's see an example how to use this word. Soups are usually served with crusty breads. The bread would be hard in the outer and soft in the interior as it was soaked in the soup. The second word is caramelized. A food that has been cooked slowly until it is browned and becomes sweeter in taste is known as caramelized. Let's see an example how to use this word. Cook the banana until the sugar in the pan gets caramelized and then serve it with ice cream. Here, sugar is added along with the bananas and slowly cooked until the sugar turns brown. The third word is tart. Tart is a sharp, bitter, or sour flavor, often used to describe acidic food. We shall now see how to use this word in a sentence. The lemon pickle is famous for its tart taste. The fourth word is fiery. A taste that feels as though it gives off heat or too spicy is described as fiery. The example goes like this. The chicken served in KFC will be very fiery. The fifth word is velvety. A smooth and a rich texture is called velvety. Let's see how to use this word in a sentence. The cake was coated with a velvety chocolate flavor. The sixth word is juicy. A succulent, tender texture which has the presence of liquid in a solid food is termed as juicy. Let's see how to use this word in a sentence. The sauce served along with the dish was very juicy. The seventh word is brini. A very salty taste is described as brini. Let us see how to use this word in a sentence. The water served in the hotel was brini. The eighth word is marinated. A food that has been soaked in liquid containing flavorful ingredients like herbs, spices, vinegar, and oil is called the process of marination. Now, let us see how to use this word in a sentence. Paneer must be marinated with the necessary spices for at least half an hour before we cook so that the taste gets enhanced. The ninth word is gooey. A viscous or sometimes sticky texture arising from the presence of moisture in a dense solid food is described as gooey. Let's see how to use this word in a sentence. Jill loves eating gooey brownies. The tenth word is fizzy. A texture brought on by the presence of many small bubbles, usually referring to carbonated liquids, is called fizzy. Let's see how to use this word in a sentence. Fizzy lemonade can be very gassy. The 11th word is honeyed. A sweet or candied taste that may be reminiscent of honey is called as honeyed. Let's see how to use this word in a sentence. Children prefer honeyed chicken rather than spicy chicken. The 12th word is yeasty. A taste reminiscent of yeast is described as yeasty. It is often used to describe beer or a bread. Let us see how to use this word in a sentence. 100-year wine produces a rich yeasty flavor. The 13th word is blanched. A food that was scalded in boiling water and then moved to cold water is called as blanched. Let's see how to use this word in an example. John blanched the beans before he started to cook the dish. The 14th word is charred. Food that is grilled or roasted and gains blackened exterior coupled with a smoky flavor is described as charred. Let us see how to use this word in a sentence. The grilled chicken, the special dish served in Hotel Bhima, is always very charred. The last word for discussion today is fermented. A food that has been introduced to bacteria, yeast, or any other microorganism to produce organic acid, alcohols, or gases is called as fermented. Now, let us see how to use this particular word in a sentence. Black beans are soybeans that are steamed and fermented with salt. Hope you have learned 15 new vocabularies and interesting ones too about cooking and food. If the video was informative, then like our video and share it. Do subscribe our channel for future videos and click on the bell button to receive the notification of the same. You can also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Until next time, have a happy learning.